Russia signs deal for new generation Il-76 transports. Russian Defense Minister Anatoly Serdyukov and United Aircraft President Mikhail Pogosyan signed a contract on 3 October to equip the Russian Air Force with 39 Il-76 MD-90A airlifters. An extensively reworked version of Ilyushin's 40-year-old Il-76 design, the model features replacement Perm PS-90A-76 engines, a Kupol-M avionics suite from Kotlin-Novator, and a new glass cockpit. The contract was signed at the Aviastar SP plant in Ulyanovsk, following a 10-min demonstration flight of the first prototype Il-76 MD-90A, which was witnessed by Russian President Vladimir Putin. The aircraft had made its flight debut from the site on 22 September. "I am sure this airplane will be in demand, and its series production will bring about a considerable portfolio of orders for Aviastar SP," Putin said. Worth 140 billion rubles or $4.5 billion, the award is the largest of its kind placed by Moscow in the past 20 years. Sources suggest that Russia hopes to receive a large order for an export version of the transport from China, which already operates classic Il-76s and had previously sought to buy 60 more. That deal fell through because of the inability of the Tapo plant in Uzbekistan, which built about 1,000 Il-76s, to continue cost-effective series production. This prompted Moscow to establish a second production line in Ulyanovsk for the improved variant, with work having begun in 2005. Aviastar SP has already produced a ground test airframe and is now working on its first 3 deliverable examples. State acceptance trials should commence in 2014 with 2 production aircraft, with the Air Force also planning to retrofit 43 of its in-service Il-76s with PS-90A-76 engines. The activity is expected to extend the type's service life by 10 to 15 years. Further development Il-76. From 2004 onwards, a number of aircraft in commercial service were modernized to the Il-76 TD90VD version. This involved the adoption of the newly developed PS-90 engine to comply with European noise limitations. In 2005, the People's Republic of China placed an order for 34 new Il-76 MDs and 4 Il-78 tankers. Citation needed. In June 2013, Russian military export agency Rosaboronexport announced an order by China for 12 Il-76 MD aircraft. Il-76 MD-90A. It was announced in 2010 that the production of a modernized Il-76, the Il-76 MD-90A, would begin. A proposed new production line would be located in Aviastar's facility in Ulyanovsk, Russia, and be operated in cooperation with the Tashkent Works. At that point, the construction of 2 Il-76 MD-90A prototypes had begun at the Ulyanovsk facility. The first Il-76 MD-90A was rolled out at Aviastar's Ulyanovsk plant on 16 June 2014. On 29 April 2015, it was reported that the Russian Air Force received the first Il-76 MD-90A built at the Ulyanovsk plant Aviastar SP from the 2012 contract for 39 aircraft. The Russian Ministry of Defense received its first serial production, Ilyushin Il-76 MD-90A airlifter, on 2 April 2019.